Welcome back. Fucking asshole kids once again interrupting. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is my 1956 oval Volkswagen Beetle. It is custom chop top, as you can tell by looking at it right here. This has really drawn a lot of attention to my YouTube channel and a lot of attention to me personally. People have contacted me from all over the world wanting to know more about this car. So now's your opportunity to ask questions, and I'm going to feature them in a video. So please ask anything that's just been burning at you that you would really like to know about this Volkswagen. Ask away. I'm going to feature them in an upcoming video. I'm going to answer all these questions for people that have asked. I'm going to award a $25 gift card to the person asking the favorite question. Please ask your questions. You have 1 week from the date that this video is posted to get your questions in. I'm going to feature them in a video. Like I said, I probably won't be able to answer all of them because there's just so many that usually get asked, or there's so many people that ask the same questions over and over again. So hopefully I'll be able to get to as many of them as possible for the next upcoming video. So once again, this is a Q&A for my Volkswagen Beetle. Please ask a question about this car. If there's something you'd like to know, ask away. $25 gift certificate from the favorite question. So thank you very much, you guys. I'm going to have a walk around this car and shoot a little bit of a few different angles. So if something comes to mind, feel free to ask out. I appreciate it, and thanks again, you guys. Thanks for watching.